I welcome you to this guided meditation on mindfulness through the five senses. Let's begin with finding a comfortable position, either sitting position or lying down, and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Allow any tension to release and let yourself be fully present in this moment. Let's begin by focusing on our sense of sight. Softly close your eyes and bring your attention to the darkness behind your eyelids. Notice any patterns of light or color you may see. Simply observe without judgment. As you breathe in and out, imagine the darkness as a blank canvas where you can create peace and tranquility. Take a moment to be grateful for the gift of sight and the beauty it allows you to experience in the world. Now shift your awareness to your sense of hearing. Tune in to the sounds around you, the distant hum of traffic, the gentle rustle of leaves, or the soft hum of your own breath. Let these sounds come and go without clinging to them or resisting them. Allow the sounds to anchor you to the present moment. And if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sounds that surrounds you. Now bring your attention to your sense of smell. Take a deep breath in through your nose, noticing any scents or fragrances that are present in your environment. It could be the aroma of nature, a nearby garden, or even the subtle scent of your surroundings. As you exhale, release any tension or worries. Let your breath be a reminder to let go and be fully present in this moment. Now become aware of your sense of touch. Feel the texture of the surface beneath you, the softness of the cushion or the firmness of the ground. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin, the warmth or coolness that surrounds you. Be mindful of any sensations within your body. Whenever they are pleasant or uncomfortable, and simply observe them with an attitude of non-judgmental acceptance. And finally, shift your focus to your sense of taste. Gently explore the different areas of your mouth with the tip of your tongue. Pay attention to the specific regions that trigger sensations. Whether it's an absence of taste in an empty mouth or the distinct taste when your saliva comes into play. Your future dining or drinking experiences, make an effort to be fully present in the moment. Notice the flavor, texture, and temperature as you chew and swallow. Allow yourself to fully enjoy this moment of nourishment and the simple pleasure of tasting. Now take a few moments to embrace all of your senses together. Be fully present in this moment. Aware of the sights, sounds, scents, sensations, and tastes that surround you. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the present, to the experience of your senses. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for your ability to experience the world through your senses. Carry this awareness of mindfulness through the 5 senses with you throughout your day, allowing yourself to be fully present in each moment and cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bring your awareness back to the room and continue your day with a sense of calm and centeredness. Thank you all.